Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to disable or remove or hide the ads within Roblox on PC very easily. So basically what you need to do is you need to go to the Roblox web. So open Roblox in the web, on the web, just go to Google or Safari and open it on the web, and then just go to the Google Chrome Web Store and search for this extension. I will leave a link to this extension in the description so you can easily click on that. But search for this extension BT Roblox and tap on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. It's completely safe, and just tap on this. Alright, this will open Roblox in a new tab, and basically you see a lot of settings. You can easily close this again, but basically what you need to do is you can open the settings again by tapping on this settings icon in the upper right corner of your screen, and then you see BTR Better Roblox Settings. Alright, and then you can toggle this on this, so you can hide ads. You can toggle this on in a general. Just tap on hide ads, close this again, and then just refresh the page, and as you can see the ads are gone. So I will show you the before and after. So let me close this. Let me refresh, and as you can see, here are ads, here's an ad, and there are ads everywhere actually. It's quite annoying, but when you turn this on again, I will show you the after. BTR settings, toggle this on, refresh the site, and boom, the ads are gone. This extension is completely free, it works perfectly fine. You can do a lot of other things with it as well. For example, go to this account, and you can see the last online status of this specific person, and it works perfectly fine. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.